You install a Chrome extension,
and a little box pops up. This extension can read and change all your data on the websites you visit. That sounds like you just handed a stranger the keys to your entire online life. Here's what it actually means, and the 20-second setting that puts you back in control. That warning shows up on almost every extension you install. Ad blockers, password managers, grammar checkers, your favorite dark mode tool. So why does Chrome make it sound so terrifying? Because it's describing the worst case, not the likely one. Here's the truth. An extension is just code that runs inside your browser. To block an ad, fix your grammar, or autofill a password, it has to see and change the page you're on. Chrome can't tell a helpful script from a harmful one, so it warns you about everything the extension could do. Most are completely legit, but most is doing a lot of work in that sentence. Because a few extensions take that permission and abuse it, and you'd never notice. Once an extension can read every page, it can read your bank balance, your emails, what you type into a login box. A shady one can log your keystrokes, inject its own ads, or scrape your data and sell it. And the scary part, an extension you installed years ago can be sold to someone else. And one silent update turns your helpful tool into spyware. It already had permission, nothing pops up again. So how do you spot the good ones? Check who published it. A real company, not Extension Dev 4471. Look at the user count. Millions of users and thousands of reviews is a good sign. A few hundred is not. Stick to the Chrome Web Store and be suspicious of anything asking for way more access than its job needs. A calculator does not need to read your email. Now the fix, and it takes 20 seconds. You don't have to trust an extension with every site. Right-click its icon in your toolbar. Find "This can read and change site data" and switch it to "When you click the extension." Now it does nothing until you tell it to. For the ones you rarely use, open the extensions page and remove them. Then run Safety Check under Settings, Privacy and Security. Same extensions, a fraction of the exposure. So no, that warning doesn't mean you've been hacked. It means you have a dial, and now you know how to turn it down. Subscribe to Chrome Story for more Chrome features explained properly before you click Accept on the next one.